Hello friends, thinking about installing profile lights in your home but not sure where to begin. Can you install them on the ceiling? Continue them onto walls? What size to choose? Warm white or cool white? And what if you don't even have a false ceiling? Today we are discussing about profile lights, one of the sleekest and most flexible lighting options for modern spaces. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to choose, how to install it, what is its cost, and what mistakes to avoid. Let us get started. What are profile lights and why they are trending? They are LED strips fitted inside aluminium or plastic channels and covered with a frosted diffuser that softens the glow. Compared to regular LED strips, profile lights are cleaner, safer, and more stylish. They offer uniform light output and a premium minimalist vibe, perfect for both homes and offices. Bonus, thanks to LED technology, they are energy efficient, long-lasting, and extremely versatile. You can install them on ceilings, in furniture, along walls, or even create curved designs. Where can you install them? Alright, a big question. Do you need a false ceiling for profile lights? Actually no. You can go for two types, recessed profile lights, which are installed flush into ceilings or furniture. Surface mounted profile lights, which stick directly into the ceiling or wall. So even with a normal cement ceiling, profile lighting is absolutely possible. You just need to pick the right format. Aluminium versus plastic. Which material wins? You will mostly find aluminium and plastic profiles in the market. Aluminium is more expensive, but it is tough, durable, and excellent at dissipating heat, meaning your LEDs last longer. Plastic profiles are cheaper and lightweight, good for decor lighting or areas used occasionally, but not recommended for long-term or high brightness use. Pro tip: for anything more than casual lighting, go with aluminium. Recessed versus surface. What looks better? Recessed profiles are clean and seamless, perfect for false ceilings or built-in furniture. But make sure you use a profile with a rim. It hides imperfections at the edges. Surface mounted profiles are easy to install, no cutting or mess. Just stick or screw them onto the wall or ceiling. Just keep in mind, surface mounts will be visible, so go for thin, sleek profiles for a better look. What shapes and sizes are available? Profile lights come in all shapes and sizes. Straight profiles, the most common. Flexible profiles can bend for curves or waves. Corner profiles, perfect for ceiling or wall edges. 8 mm to 17 mm is great for regular residential lighting. For higher brightness, use 25 mm to 50 mm profiles with double LED strips. They also come in silver or black. Black profiles look sleek even when switched off. But black diffusers give slightly less brightness than white ones. Color temperature. What should you choose? Now warm white or cool white? Here is a quick guide. Warm white 2700 to 3000 Kelvin. It is soft and cozy, ideal for bedrooms and lounges. Cool white 4000 to 6000 Kelvin. It is bright and crisp, great for kitchens, bathrooms and workspaces. You can also try RGB strips for colors or tunable whites for dynamic lighting moods. Let us talk about adapters. Profile lights run on low voltage, so you will need a good quality adapter to convert 220 volt safely. Rule of thumb: 120 LEDs per meter is equal to roughly 1 ampere per meter. So for a 5 meter strip, use a 5 ampere adapter and always buy with 20% extra capacity for safety. And don't compromise. Cheap adapters is equal to risk of flickering or strip damage. Always go branded. and look for at least a 1-year warranty. Where to hide the adapter? If you have a false ceiling, place the adapter near the nearest panel or COB light. Easy to access later. If you don't have a false ceiling, just hide it inside furniture or a panel box, as long as it is accessible for maintenance. Installation process summary. For recessed profile lights, first finalize the profile size. Then give a sample to the worker. After that, cut the gypsum board exactly. Then fix the aluminium profile with screws or adhesive. After that, stick the LED strip inside the profile. And then finally, hide wiring above the ceiling. For surface mounted profiles, choose a low depth profile. Rest of the process is same. And remember, for 90-degree joints, don't overlap profiles. Always cut one end at 45 degree for a clean finish. Common mistakes to avoid. Alright, here are the mistakes you should never make. Number 1. Wrong adapter rating. Never underpower the LED strip. Number 2. Cheap adhesive. Profiles may fall off later. Number 3. Improper wiring. No twisting and taping. Use connectors or solder properly. Number 4. 5 meter limit. Many times people connect more than 5 meter of strip in series, causing the light to dim at the end. Usually 5 meter length strip lights are available in the market. So if you need a run longer than 5 meters, use parallel connectors or add power injection in between. Number 5. Bad joints at corners. If you are connecting multiple strips or using profiles in L and U shapes, use such connectors for the LED strip joints. Avoiding these mistakes will keep you happy in the long term. Cost estimate. Now if we talk about costing, defining it is a bit tough because aluminium profiles come in different price ranges based on size, depth and width. But if we talk about a basic estimated price, it would be approximately 15 to 300 rupees per meter. Similarly, LED strips also come in many different variations based on the number of LEDs per meter and their quality. Still, you can consider their starting cost as 150 rupees per meter. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.